What if I told you this epic black dragon, glowing with purple light and breathing fire, wasn't made in a studio, but in under 1 hour, using nothing but AI? Welcome back to CK AI World, the channel where we turn imagination into breathtaking reality. Hit subscribe now, and check the Kling AI and ElevenLabs links in the description and pinned comment. One click could unleash your own legendary dragon. Creating a dragon like this used to take massive studios, powerful machines, and months of work. But now, you can do it in minutes. Today, I'll show you step by step how I brought to life Dragon the Black Dragon of Purple Flame. With Kling AI and ElevenLabs, anyone can create a fantasy film scene that looks straight out of a blockbuster. Step 1. Write the story with ChatGPT. I started with ChatGPT. I asked it, write a short cinematic story about a black dragon glowing with purple fire, standing on a mountain peak, thundering and breathing out purple light. It gave me a powerful sequence. Night draped the mountains in silence. Then, a tremor. High above the clouds, on the jagged crown of a forgotten peak, he rose. The black dragon, ancient and vast, unfolded his wings like torn banners of shadow. His scales shimmered with a hidden glow, purple fire pulsing beneath the obsidian armor, as if stars were trapped inside him. The wind stilled. The earth held its breath. Then a roar. Step 2. Create images with Kling AI. Next, I jumped into Kling AI. With ChatGPT's help, I crafted this image prompt: epic black dragon with glowing purple highlights, standing on a mountain peak under storm clouds, wings spread wide, cinematic fantasy, ultra detailed, 4 Kelvin, dramatic lighting. Kling AI delivered breathtaking stills. One where dragon perched with scales shimmering violet, another with wings stretched against stormy skies, and the final shot him unleashing a stream of purple fire that lit the clouds. Honestly, it looked like concept art straight from a Hollywood film. Step 3. Animate with Kling AI. Alright, now comes the part where the magic really happens. Kling AI. This is the tool that transforms your still image into a living, breathing, cinematic shot. Let me show you step by step, using just one of Dragon's images as an example. I took the still of Dragon perched on the cliff, his black scales glowing faint purple under the stormy sky. I uploaded that image into Kling. Super simple drag, drop, done. Then I entered my animation prompt, and here's exactly what I typed. Camera slowly rises from the bottom of the cliff. The black dragon's scales glow with a purple shimmer. Wind howls through the peaks. Lightning flickers faintly in the clouds. Now, here's a pro tip. Keep your prompt focused. Notice how I only described a few key actions: the camera rising, the glow, the wind, and the lightning. If you throw in too many verbs, Kling might get confused. Think of it like directing a film, one clear scene at a time. When I hit generate, Kling took that still and, within minutes, turned it into a stunning 5-second cinematic clip. The movement of the camera, the shifting glow on the dragon's scales, the stormy atmosphere it felt alive. And that's just one image. Imagine doing the same for the second still, where Dragon spreads his wings, and the final one where he unleashes purple fire. Stitch them together, and suddenly, you've got a fantasy sequence worthy of the big screen. Yes, Kling charges 100 coins for every 5 seconds. But honestly, the quality is jaw-dropping, and you don't need a powerful computer. It all runs on the cloud, so anyone can do this. So, if you're following along, start with one image like I did here. Watch the magic unfold, and then repeat the process with your other stills. Before you know it, you'll have a complete cinematic story. Step 4. Create sound and ambience. Now that our dragon is alive with motion, let's give him a voice, and more importantly, a world of sound around him. I started by asking ChatGPT to write a short ambient script to match the scene. Here's the result I used. Rolling thunder builds. A crack of lightning, then a deep, echoing dragon roar, shaking the sky with power. Wind howls through the cliffs as sparks of purple fire crackle in the darkness. With that script in hand, I went straight to ElevenLabs. Instead of generating narration, I pasted the script into their sound design tool to create layered background audio. Within seconds, ElevenLabs built a soundscape that included the thunder, the lightning strike, the howling wind, and the dragon's mighty roar. Once the audio was generated, I played it back to check the balance, making sure the roar stood out without drowning out the storm. Satisfied with the mix, I simply downloaded the MP3 file. And just like that, we had a professional, cinematic background ready to sync perfectly with our Kling visuals. Step 5. Edit in CapCut. Now it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. I opened a new project and dragged in the video clips we created in Kling AI, putting them in the right order to match Pip's, or in this case, Vayner the Dragon's storyline. Then I added the MP3 soundtrack we just built in ElevenLabs, placing it underneath the clips on the timeline. I adjusted the volume so the dragon's roar was powerful but didn't overpower the thunder and wind. Next, I used smooth fade transitions between the scenes to make it feel like a real cinematic sequence. Finally, I added an on-screen caption at the end, created entirely with Kling AI and ElevenLabs. Links below. After a quick preview, everything looked seamless. With just a few edits, the story of our glowing dragon was ready to share. And that's it, our cinematic dragon short, built from a single idea with the power of Kling AI and ElevenLabs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more epic AI-powered stories, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. All the links you need are waiting below in the description and pinned in the comments. This is CK AI World, your hub for turning imagination into cinematic reality. I'll see you in the next video.